It's meant life. It's meant restoration, which is its name, House of Restoration.
Welcome to All Nations Church, New Jersey, House of Restoration. A church with a passionate and radical message of restoration, change, and transformation that comes from our Lord Jesus Christ.
Je veux aussi remercier le Seigneur parce que, comme cette église, le nom le dit, c'est une église qui accueille toutes les nations.
From day one when I came to this church, I felt welcome. I wanted a deeper spiritual journey with God.
We carry a vision to expose people to the hope and limitless potential found in Jesus Christ.
Since coming here, I've grown so much in ways that I didn't even know was possible. My prayer life has changed. My spiritual life, everything about me has changed. And the good thing about it is that, God is still working with me. He's still working in me. And I think it's all because I stepped my foot into All Nations Church.
We are releasing potential, achieving destinies.
I feel inspired. I want to feel a deeper presence of God. And since coming here for the past 4 or 5 years, it's opened my eyes. I am truly a new person. I just want to tell everybody about All Nations. I want to tell everybody about Mama Eunice and Pastor.
Pastor is very well grounded, very pragmatic, and the one thing I love about the church and him in particular is that when he preaches or in all the services, in everything, he's very pragmatic, it's very practical. He describes or he preaches and teaches in ways that you can actually apply to your day-to-day life there and then.
This is a church to come experience.